Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me just raise this up a bit. Well, 2 videos this week. I'll be working on the Sunliner, but spoilers, I won't be doing the clutch. I don't have no riv nuts, but video number 2, which will be going, this one's going to be at the end of the week. The Sunliner one will be Wednesday probably. But this is my mom's radio flyer wagon that she got for her wedding. I think from my grandpa, her dad. Can't remember, but yeah. 2003 they got married, so brother's been abusive to it, so I'm hoping to get it looking nice for her. This Thursday is her birthday, and today is Monday, so I have a few days. Today, I just want to get that done and start taking the paint off and sanding. Here's a better look at it. Only welding I'll be doing is replacing this panel here. Not much, but hopefully it will work. But quite a bit bumpy there. Quite a bit sanding needs to be done. But maybe that panel. I don't know. I will see. But wonder if we want to use the plasma cutter. I don't know. But yeah, it's going to be like this all week. So it's going to be a fun video. So let's say it one more time and start working on this radio flyer. All right. Since I want this to be professionally done, I need to go ahead and mark it. And let's do it at 6. Make sure it's nice and level. That ain't really well. Right. Got the measurements, got everything all marked. I don't know how well you guys can see. Oh, as long as I can see them. Hopefully it will be good. So all right, next step, I found this piece of metal that was left over from the green car. So clamp it down, then trace it, and oops, I should put this one on that side, but yeah. Also, I want to show that everybody know in the comment section below. There we go. So let's go ahead and cut it. got the piece cut and everything. About the back wheels, I gotta do another panel, but I have roughly an hour. I'll probably have to do that when I get back. I don't know if I will film that part, but I might. Just a small section though, nothing big. Or not. But yeah. Waste no more time. Start welding. All right. Here's it all ground down. I still need to do a bit more welding, and when I do that, I'll grind everything flat. But yeah, that's pretty good. A lot more sanding and stuff so I can get it all flat. There and there needs to get welded. Yeah. Then I get to take all the paint off tomorrow, sand it. Yeah, ain't gonna be fun, but well, just think of it as a job for me. I have to think of it, but I'll see you guys either tonight or tomorrow. As you can see, it's late at night, 10 o'clock to be precise. I'm scared. There's things over there. That's just the duckies. They have to get fed, but whoa, look at that. I just have this as body filler. Don't worry, there was literally no holes. It's just in case there's holes in it. But watch this. Nothing. You don't see light. And guess what? Also great news. I actually, for the first time, grinded down the welds, and look how nice it is. Now tomorrow, what we do, prep it for paint, maybe even paint it. That will be last, but I did over here. Look at that. Guys, comment down below. Have I improved from this? Whoops, sorry. From these? To this. Plain metal. But tomorrow's an exciting day. Painting. Got one can of spray paint. I don't know if I'll do, but I got a trick up my sleeve if it doesn't. But yeah, so I gotta go see you guys tomorrow when it's lighter. Okay, it's time to make it shiny. It'll take a long time, but I think right after this I'll be able to wash it, dry it, make sure there's no dust on it, and start painting. The paint I have, I'll show you once it's time, but alright guys, it's about time. This is the kind of paint I'll be using. It has it already has the primer in it. So get a little test. Ooh, that's nice. So make sure you wear one of these so toxic chemicals don't go in your lungs. But here we go. I go wait for it to dry to do the second coat. Okay, while we're waiting, let's do this part. Pow. There we go. All painted up. I say, for my first paint job, it's not that bad. I need to do a little bit more there, and I need to do the underneath. But, yeah. Later, either today, I don't know, it sounds like rain, I'm gonna have to drill those holes. And I think it's done. But, yeah. So, every single bug here, well, they came and left. See these darker spots, which ain't really visible on camera. That's because of the, the more rusty rust. But, wow, doesn't it look good? Got a little bit there, but wow. Tomorrow we'll put on the front wheels here. What we need to do, we need a drill these out, or probably cutting them would be easier. So that'll be exciting. Wash it real good, and after that we give it a wash up there and maybe buff it, clean it. I don't know, but I can't wait to see a reaction on my mom's face. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll probably go film some more for the Sunliner, but I don't know. Alright, it is Wednesday now, but got this all made. All cleaned up. I found bolts for it. It was simple to get those off. First I cut the top of it off, then the lower part clean off. But yeah, as the battery charges for it, I don't know, nothing to do, but I'll be gone this afternoon, so I probably have to pre-record an outro for tomorrow to the video. But yeah, don't worry, it'll be at the end of the video, so won't notice it. But I think I'm gonna clear coat this all so it doesn't rust. We don't have black paint. Whoa. But yeah, you guys, yeah, you lost what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna wait till these are done. But I'm gonna film an outro now so I don't have to not have one. Alright, lads, got the drill and everything. I'll show you what I'm gonna do in a moment. Nice and shiny. So tip it up. Yep. I'm gonna go put this on it and see where I want it. Then I'll mark it. Right. There we go. Lower you guys down so you can see better. Marked everything. Okay. Need to find the smaller one. Right. All right. Bolts and see if they fit. Perfect size. I'm gonna go ahead and paint this. You guys saw enough painting, I think. put away here for tomorrow and it should be done. Cheater. Shout out, huh? Nice. Okay. This is exciting part of the build. The last part. Any guesses? Yep. Finally get to put it back together. Look how nice this came out. If it would stop bending. Nice and shiny. First time. Shut up! First time this been on anything in many years. If I get the pliers, bend it. Oh shoot. I apologize, guys. Well. All right. Crazy terrain. Wheels are moving by. Piece of garbage Chinese crap. Wash these back wheels because they're dirty. How was your ride? Yeah. Yeah. Back wheels are dirty and gonna be wash them off real quick. All right. Here's a nice walk around of it. Remember, the darker spots are just from the rustier areas. Whoa. I'm getting a little bit emotional looking at it. Memories, riding around at our old house, and of course this paint's messed up here. So before I put it in, get a dab of paint there. Wow. Yeah. Okay, I did paint the bolts, but I'm gonna let it dry for a minute or two and put it in the garage. I'll see you guys tomorrow though. Okay, stand right here.
Should I close my eyes?
If you want, yes. Here's a better look at it. Only welding I'll be doing is replacing this panel here. Not much, but hopefully it will work. But quite a bit bumpy there. Quite a bit sanding needs to be done. But alright, here's a nice walk around of it. Remember, the darker spots are just from the rustier areas. Whoa. I'm getting a little bit emotional looking at it. Memories, riding around at our old house, and of course this paint's messed up here. So before I put it in, get a dab of paint there. Wow. Yeah. Okay, I did paint the bolts, but I'm gonna let it dry for a minute or two and put it in the garage. I'll see you guys tomorrow though. Alright, this is a pre-recorded outro, but I know Tom to do it after show it to my mom. We're going to Mountain Olympus right after that, but you can see right there, still there. Still need to bolt on the swivel or the front wheels and clean up the back. That's all. If anyone has any other recommendations of how I could have paint better, or how I could, what better disc I could have used for grinding those welds, because it took at least an hour to get at that point and it's not good. The grinding discs shrunk and shrunk. They're probably just for grinding paint, but they suck at that. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the thumbs up, because I'm only 16. And I want to show you guys, anyone could do this. So I started Monday. 3 days it took me to do this, from stripping the paint to welding to now. But I wish I had more of that red paint, but oh well. I hope my mom loves it. Don't know yet, but yeah, guys, you want to watch more videos. In the meantime, I upload Fridays. I try to, maybe I upload twice a week. I try to, and to get that watch time hours and subscriber count higher, but almost at 600 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. That one Starliner video, 2,000 views and like 100 watch time hours. That's excellent. I wish I could perform for every video, but it is what it is. But anyone new to the channel, welcome. Restore these cars and do other fun stuff. Do revivals. Yeah. Please check out Whiskey Dance. Check out Whiskey Dance, Classic Car Revivals, OK Speed Shop, 1776 Garage, Nick Nonsense, High Octane Garage with a K. And yeah, if you guys really like this video, subscribe. If you like watching stuff get restored. Almost done with this Starliner here, but we need brake lines, and yeah, I gotta wait for Amazon, for my dad to buy it from Amazon. But yeah, I don't have a job yet. Hopefully, probably work at some crappy store. I don't want to work at somewhere else, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the Sunliner video. I probably upload that Saturday because I'm on a tight time schedule. But yeah, guys, catch you guys in the next one.